Welcome, friends. Now, recently, US lawmakers have passed a bill which is called the Tibet China Disputes Act. This law may become a big problem for China because, first, it brings back the issue of Tibet, and not just this, it also questions China's annexation of Tibet and the suppression of Tibetan culture and language. Now, if more and more countries support this bill, this may become a big problem for China. Now, एक और चीज आप ध्यान रखना that President Biden is expected to sign this, then it becomes law. But two houses of the US Congress have passed this bill. The way we have Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in India, उसी तरीके से US Parliament जो है उनके दोनों houses ने ये पास कर दिया है. Look at this headline. After Taiwan and trade war, US turns spotlight on China's control of Tibet. This is another article from Business Standard. China may face major US challenge to its control of Tibet soon. देखो एक और headline है Tibet China dispute. US House passes bill to challenge China's claims over Tibet. Now here there is another article. House passes bill urging China to mend ties with Dalai Lama. Now we in India think that Tibet is a part of China, even historically. बट ये आर्टिकल देखो, ये हेडलाइन देखो, इंडियन एक्सप्रेस का है, विच एक्सप्लेन्स वेरी वेल हाउ चाइना इन्वेडेड तिब्बत एंड एनेक्स्ड इट. और पूरी दुनिया को चाइना यही बताता है दैट तिब्बत हैज बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ चाइना सिंस एंशिएंट टाइम्स. Now, this is one of the mistakes which India has also made even in the past. After independence, India made this mistake, and even in 2003, जब NDA government थी, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी was Prime Minister, India made the same mistake. India operates through goodwill that चलो अच्छे neighbors बन के रहते हैं, but China never reciprocates in the same way. In 2003, India recognized Tibet as a part of China. But बदले में China ने कभी recognize नहीं किया that Kashmir is a part of India. So, इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे what challenge this new law by the United States poses to China, and should India also support this bill just as other European countries are supporting it. Now, आपने बहुत सारे articles देखे होंगे where recently India has renamed 30 Tibetan sites across the LAC. But is renaming cities and towns enough to counter China? That is the first question which India should ask. Or should we do something more to counter Chinese aggression? Should we also not support the US bill at the international level? इस चीज को डिस्कस करते हैं इस वीडियो में, और इस पूरे मुद्दे को मैप के साथ समझने की कोशिश करते हैं, बिकॉज जब सामने मैप्स रहते हैं देन इट जस्ट बिकम्स ईजियर टू अंडरस्टैंड. बट बिफोर दैट, इफ यू वांट टू कनेक्ट विद मी, यू कैन कनेक्ट विद मी ऑन टेलीग्राम, ठीक है, एंड दिस इज द लिंक, हर्ष सिंह सर ऑफिशियल, एंड दिस इज अ ब्रीफ अबाउट मी, ठीक है, यू कैन रीड हियर, ठीक है. एंड वन मोर अनाउंसमेंट, इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर UGC NET English, then a new batch starts from the 1st of July. For enrollment or any inquiries related to the course, just call or WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296. And similarly, अगर आप तैयारी कर रहे हैं MA इंग्लिश एंट्रेंस की, और लेट्स से CUET PG इंग्लिश फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर 2025 के लिए, a new batch starts from the 1st of July. Seats are limited, so book your seat right away. So coming back, see, this Tibet-China Act may become a nightmare for China. Now पहले तो मैं आपको मैप दिखाता हूँ चाइना और तिब्बत का. China calls this region Tibetan Autonomous Region, ठीक है. This is the official map which you will find on the internet. But two things you should note down. जो actual map था तिब्बत का, जो actual area थे तिब्बत के, उनको चाइना ने रिड्यूस कर दिया है. एंड नाउ द एरिया दैट तिब्बत ऑक्यूपाइज इज मच स्मॉलर देन द ओरिजिनल एरिया. यहाँ पे आप देखो, दिस इज अनदर मैप विच यू कैन फाइंड ऑन द इंटरनेट. इन दिस मैप वी कैन सी द एरिया ऑफ तिब्बत एज लार्जर. एंड लेट मी ऑल्सो टेल यू दैट दिस हैज डायरेक्ट रेलेवेंस टू द लॉ दैट द US कांग्रेस हैज पास्ड. इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको, उस लॉ को समझने से पहले आप मैप समझो. और अगर प्रोविंसेस में चाइना को बांटा जाए, देन दीज आर द प्रोविंसेस, ठीक है. तिब्बत इज हियर, and adjoining Tibet is Sichuan is there, then Yunnan is there, then up Qinghai is there, and nearby that is Ganshu. Now what China earlier did was, many of the regions of the adjoining provinces were also a part of Tibet. उन सबको चाइना ने अलग अलग provinces में annex कर लिया, और जो effective area है तिब्बत का, उसे reduce कर दिया. Now look here, this is the original map of Tibet. So Tibet also included some parts of Qinghai, Gansu, Sichuan and Yunnan. थोड़े थोड़े एरिया उनके भी थे. That was the real Tibet. So what does the bill passed by the US lawmakers intends to do? First of all, the name of this bill or act is Promoting a Resolution to the Tibet-China Dispute Act. ठीक है, ये पूरा नाम है. हुआ क्या है? the House of Representatives, which is the lower chamber of the US Congress, voted and approved this bill. ठीक है, it has been now passed by both houses, upper as well as lower, जैसे कि इंडिया के राज्यसभा और लोकसभा करते हैं. Also keep in mind that this is a bipartisan bill. So it's almost like BJP and Congress both supporting a particular bill in India's parliament. Similarly in US, both Republicans as well as Democrats are supporting this bill. और उसमें एक और intention क्या है bill का? To promote dialogue between the People's Republic of China and the Dalai Lama towards a peaceful resolution of the long-standing dispute between China and Tibet. Now, President Biden has to sign this into law, which he will do very soon. Once he signs this bill, this act becomes applicable. और देखो जो मैंने आपको मैप दिखाया उसके बारे में इस बिल में या इस एक्ट में क्या लिखा है. It would also make it policy that Tibet refers not only to the Tibetan Autonomous Region as defined by Beijing, but also Tibetan areas of the Chinese provinces of Qinghai, Gansu, Yunnan and Sichuan. उसके बाद the act aims to enhance US support for Tibet. It would empower US State Department officials to actively and directly counter disinformation about Tibet from the Chinese government, rejecting false claims that Tibet has been part of China since ancient times. The act will also push for negotiations between the Chinese government and Dalai Lama without preconditions. ठीक है, without preconditions. Many countries in the West are supporting this initiative. US is there, UK is there, Germany, Australia, France, Sweden, Norway, Japan, Netherlands, Poland, Canada also. All of these countries are supporting this bill. So question that arises is, should India also support this law just as other countries are? Because keep in mind that this is not just a matter of geopolitics. ये कोई geopolitical question ही नहीं है. It is also about the human rights of the people of Tibet. It is also about protecting their language and culture, which the Chinese regime has been eradicating, eliminating for a long time now, for almost 50 years now. So नीचे comments में आप लिख के बताओ what you think about this law, whether India should support this or not, just as other countries are. And one more announcement, if you are preparing for Jamia's entrance exam for next year for PG English, then a new batch starts on the 1st of July. For enquiries or for enrollment, just call or WhatsApp us on this number given above. ठीक है?